Assalamu alaikum, my name is Iqbal and today I'm going to show you my POS system. So let's get started. When you double click on this icon, you will see the login screen. Here you select the username and the default password is already being given. So let's log in on this. When you are logged in, you can see the daily sales, monthly sales and the top performing day, top performing month. You can change month and the year according to your choice. And the latest the recent last 10 orders list is here, and the top most selling product list will be here, and you can change these accordingly. So we are in the setting tab, and these are all the settings of the software. So let's cover one by one. So let's begin from the company. So here you can enter your company information along with your logo, and here is the texts. You can add the text configurations here. So the text names here, and product location. You can also set the product location. So here you can add the racks here, and then you can add shelves in these racks like the one we did it already. So in this rack 2 we have shelf 1. You can add as many shelves in this rack as you need. So this is the part the product location. You can also add the user, and for now we have only the admin user. You can add as many user as you want, and then you can give the permission to these user accordingly. So you can prevent them from seeing your sensitive data. So you select you select the user here, and these are the actually the pages that you see in the ribbon here. So the setting is this one, and manage product is this one. So you can expand like we expand the setting page. So we see that the task unit expenses customer supplier info, all of these are the portion of the pages, and you can further expand them so you can see the buttons. So if you want to prevent your user from accessing these buttons, so you can check all the tasks. The whole task will be disabled from him, and if you want to manually check, so you can prevent these three buttons from the user, and he will not be able to access them when he logged in with his credentials. So this is how you configure your user. Now let's see the database setting. For the database setting, we see use local connection. The use local connection means that the system will work only in a single system. And this is only for one single system. If you want to connect locally with your database, and this is for the network connection. So you, and for the network connection, you choose the servers and the server authentication types, and then you give the username and password accordingly, so you can connect to your server. So this is the client's software can be connected with the servers. Lots of clients software can be connected with the single server, and you can also create a backup from here and restore from backup from here. And let's see the units. So you can add units here, and you can also add the expenses groups and customers, suppliers, and employees. And let's see the preferences. So in the preferences you see that if you want to maintain your stock, you can enable it, otherwise you can disable it. If you want your stocks, if you don't want your stocks to be in negative quantity, and then you can enable it, otherwise disable it. You can also set the default expiry date when you purchase the product. So when you purchase the product, the 2 years will be added in the expiry date. So this is what you can configure it. If you want to preview the receipts while printing, you can enable it, otherwise you can disable it. And these are the invoices tab. You can select one from them, and this is the thermal setting, thermal printer settings. So you can choose your thermal printer from here, and when you when you print your receipt, the the receipt will go directly to the thermal printer. And hide the receipt notes. If you want to show this notes on your receipts, you can hide it, or you can unhide it, and you can also change the note here. And this is the data you can remove from some specific date, but it is not usually recommended. And now let's see the manage product page. In the manage product page, you can add product groups here, or the product categories. You can add the products, and here in the products description, you can add the product name, barcode, and you can select the units here. And the opening tab, if you want to add with, and the date of entry, product location, you can set it, and purchase price, retail price, and wholesale price as well. So if you want the wholesale price, so you can give it in the percentage here, and the software will calculate the wholesale price for you. And you can select the product categories from here. But now we don't have any category. And you can also set the reorder level of the stocks. So when these levels are less than in your stocks, the software will notify you to reorder the products. And this is the text. You can select a text for the product, like you select the GST, and then you give the tax rate. And if the tax is included in the price, you can check this one, otherwise you can uncheck this. And here is the product list. For now we only have two products, and these products, let's see this product. So here we configure this product. The main unit you can see is the cotton, and you can also see the subunits of this product. So let's see it. So when you select this product and add subunit, you can see the these units in the product. So here you can sell the cotton as well, and in the cotton there are 5 bundles up for. Actually this is the hardware shops. We took this product from hardware shops for the sake of the demo, so you can understand the units better. So you can sell the cotton as well, and also sell the bundle, each bundle as well. And each bundle we have 100-meter wire, so you can sell in meter as well. So this is how you manage your units here. And you can also export your products from here, and you can import your products. So here you select the CSV file, and then you match these fields with your CSV file fields. So for the product number we have this product number, and for the barcode we select like this barcode. And for the product name, let's see, description. And here you can also see the preview of this before importing. So for now we have selected only 3 fields, so you can see the products, and the description, and the barcode. So you can then import it into your system. And this is the stock list. You can see there that how the stocks are maintained in your system. For now we have the packing quantity in minus. You can see it, and you can also see the unit quantity and subunit quantity. We have configured them. So and you can also see the You can see the products in three units, and the three units are: one is the packing unit, the second is the unit quantity, and the second unit, and the third one is the subunit quantity. So actually the software can have only three units. You can add three units only to one product, and you can see the all up the stock maintenance quantities in these three units. So here you can also add stocks from here manually, and you can also correct stock. You can correct the stocks from here, and then you can if you choose to one. And so we have only you can see that we were having only in minus of the one. So if we add one, so our quantity will be in the positive. So one packing is, I mean, one is the cotton actually, and the five is the bundle in this cotton, and the 100 is a meter in each bundle. So we will have 500 meters in total. So you can describe the reason for the correction, and then you can also see the correction list if you have corrected some of the products, and you can also check the expiry of your products, and you can also check the low stocks list. If, these are the reorder level. If they are less, if they are greater than this packing quantity, the software will notify you with the red line, with the red. So you can understand that these products can be should be reordered. And here you can also print the barcode. So here you select the product from here, and then the number of copy you want to print. So here is the label. You can see that if you want to, you can further manage these labels. You can also set the page settings for this. If you want to print on the A4 size, you can the default as the A4. And here are some other pages as well, so you can choose one from them, and you can also select your custom pages as well. So you can also set the margin of the page, and you can also set the row spacing like in the row. For example, let's see the for the row, if I give 5, and then we preview this, so you can see the spacing increases a little bit. You can also set the label size, price size, and the product name size. So in this way you can print your barcodes here. Now let's come to the purchase tab. So here you can order your purchase. So here you select the supplier, and if you give the you can also give the reference number, and you select the product. And if you want to select if you want to buy the product in the carton, so you can, by default it is the carton. You can also change this to bundle, and the price will be changed accordingly. So you can also set the price here, and the unit quantity, discount if the supplier gives you some, and the taxes as well. So in this way you can add your order. So the order list is the one. If you have purchased some orders, and this order will be shown here in this list. You can also return the orders, the purchase return order. So you give the purchase order number here, and the order list will be shown here. And you can add these products to then the order return list, and these products will be then returned to the supplier. And then you can also see the return whatever products you have returned to the supplier will be shown here. and you can also add the expenses here. And let's see the sales. So for the sales, this is the POS terminal. Let's click on this. So in this sales screen, you can add products to your cart list by using the barcode. Or you can choose one from these, and you can also search here the product very easily by product number or by product name. So you can, let's see it. When you select the product, you can see the purchase price, sale price, and the margin, and the product location. So this will come with each of the product you will select. And now if you select the switch, now by the switch we also the purchase price and sale price and the location as well. So in this way you can add your products to your customer list, sale list, and if these are in retail mode, so you can also change it to the wholesale mode. So when you change it to the wholesale mode, so the prices will be changed to the wholesale. Whatever you have configured, you can also select the customer from here. So you select the customer here, and if you will see the previous balance of the customer, the credit allowed to the customer, and if you want to add the customer on the place, you can add this, and you can also add the customer here. And you can also the payment change the payment method, and we have some payment method like checks, banks, and credit card. On credit, you can also give this to your customer on the credit. And if you want to save this and print invoice, you can click on this. If you want to save and print receipt, you can click on this. And if you want to save and send this invoice to your customer, you can click on this. And if you want to save without printing any receipts or invoice, you can click on this. So for now you will be saving this, so we can see the receipt. So now the transaction is successful. Now let's give it a name. Receipt. Let's save it, and now let's see it here. So this is how the receipts will look like. So we have, this is the customer detail. If you have customer, if it is not, if you don't have customer, this detail will not be shown here. And this is the receipt note that we added in the preferences, and here you can see the subtotal, discount, and tax, all of these. So this is the receipts that is only for the thermal receipt, thermal print RAMs, sorry. Okay, so now you can so this is how you when you click on this, and the new transaction will be here comes to you can also if you have some customer, and if you want to hold these orders for some times, you can also hold it, and then you can retrieve it from here, like so. These are the order that we have. You can resume this order and delete it. And when you resume this order, the let's see the pending order. So when you process this order, and this will be removed from the pending order as well. And if you want a new order, so you can click on this, and here you can also see the invoices list, so you can see all of your invoices. You can expand these invoices, so you can see the products in these invoices, and you can also print the receipt and print the invoice. So let's see the invoice. So the invoice will look like this. And here is the cash drawer. You can also and on the start of the day you can add the opening amount here, and you can also add cash to the drawer, and you can also remove cash from the drawer. And the sales will the sales are when you do sales, the sales are amount will be added to the cash drawer automatically. And here is the sale return. If you want to return some invoice, let's see how can we return this. So let's here we, for example, if you want to return this, we will click on this edit, and here we will click on this search. So the invoice came here, and now we can return it. So on this button, if you click, the return list will come here. So if you want to return this, so this is the order list, and if you want to add it to the return list, you can add the plus button, and it will be added to the return list. So you can further add the another product as well. So you have to give back the 6,000 amount to your customer, and this is how you can return your product. And if you have deleted some order, and you can see the return list. If you have returned some products, it will be shown here, and if you have deleted some orders, the deleted order will be shown here. And this is the advanced search. If you want to search but if you want to search some sales, for example, if you select this customer, we have sold this product on this customer, so you can track any of the product we sold on this customer very easily. Like for example, if I want to switch, so you can see the switch we use view. So you can see also the date on which we have sold this product to on the customer. And here is the payment tab, so you can see the customer ledger here. Here you select your customer, and then you can see the all of the ledger of the customer. So this is the invoice amount, and this amount actually he paid us 3,000, and the remaining balance was 3,000. So later on he paid us the cash 3,000, and now then we sold another we transacted this invoice, uh, so in but this time he paid us, so we don't have any due amount to this customer. If you want, you can also pay the amount if you have some dues to the customer, and you can pay from here. So for now we don't have any amount dues on the customer, so you can also print the print statement here, and all of the records will be shown here. And similarly, this is the customer ledgers, and this is the supplier ledger. Here you select the supplier, so if you have any dues or um, um, you can also see this like in the same as the customer. You can also add customer credit. You select the customer here, and then you can add the credit amount, and then you can add the notes with the credit. So you can do this if you start your business in this software, and if you have some customer and want to add credits to them manually, so you can, this is very beneficial. And similar way you can add credit supplier credit, so you select the supplier and the credit amount and the credit note. And here is the attendance, and if you have some employees working on your shop, you can make their attendance. So you here you select the employees, and then you select any month per which you want to create the sheet for them. So per now we have already created was one sheet per them, so you can now make the attendance per whatever day you want. So it is very easy. You can, as present, you need to check this one and add the attendance. And if this is the time in, and if you can also set the time out here, and the software will calculate all of the attendance at the and when you do this, you click on this save button to save the attendance. So this is you can see that the month and year, this is December 2024, and the monthly total attendance is 31, and off days in this month is 4. We have checked all these is off days, so the Sunday is off day, so these are all for Sundays in this month. So, and we have also allowed 2 leaves to this employees. So the absent now, absence for now he is absent totally 29 days. So once you complete all of these attendance, these will be updated accordingly. And here you can pay your employees. So here you select your employee, and the basic salary will be here. And here you can also add TADA, and and also deduct the money from the basic salary. And this is how we pay our employees. So here is the summary of the software. You can also check the daily sale report. So per each day you can track your sales here. And if you want periodic sales, so for the periodic sales you need to set the start date and end date, and when you click preview, so all of the sales will be shown here. And you can also track your stocks reports. So for now we have stock in negative quantity. And you can also stock value report, stock correction report, customer statement, supplier statement, cash drawer report. So you can also set the cash drawer and see the amount in each day, that the opening amount was this and the closing sale was this, and then we add this and then we remove this, and similar in each day you can track them. And you can also see the profit and loss statement, the profit by product. In each product you can see the profit in each product. And you can also profit by staff. You can here you select the staff name, and this date, and you will see the products which were sold by by your staff. And you can also see the profit and loss statement as a whole. So when you click on this, you will see the total sales, cost of goods, sales, discount if you have done something, and daily expenses, job expenses, and the net profit. And here you can see the dashboard. So if you want to see the so this is how this software is working. Thanks for watching the video.